Hi guys, welcome back. And today's video is about how to make a YouTube icon in Canva. So I already have a video about Canva, which is how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So if you didn't know what is a YouTube icon, so I'll show you an example. So this is my YouTube icon. So if you want to make a YouTube channel, you will definitely need a YouTube icon. Yeah. So if you didn't add YouTube icon, this is not a problem. But like your YouTube icon gonna be like there's a color background, and then there's gonna be letters that start with your account's name. For example, if your account start with S, it's gonna be like big S with the background color. So it's gonna be not interesting enough. Sorry, what is this? Okay, so it's gonna be not interesting enough. So you would definitely need a YouTube icon to make a YouTube thumbnail. If someone check it out, yeah. If it's not interesting enough, no one gonna check it. So your YouTube icon need to be interesting enough. This is the thing. So they can check it out. So in Canva, you can make amazing thing. Not just YouTube icon. You can make YouTube thumbnail, Facebook posts, like everything you can make. Yeah. So you can also check out. You can also check out everything. Also, but in this video, I'm just showing you how to make a very quick and simple YouTube icon. Okay. So this is Canva. Before you use it, you need to sign in or log into it, okay? So first, like if you got to home, like what is this? Like in here, if you got to home, you can see you can make presentation video, just a video, Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, logo, everything, okay? You can make flyers, social media, YouTube thumbnail. I already have a video about it. If you want to check out, I'll put in description. This is Facebook cover. You can also go to social media so you can see events. This is marketing one. And in these, you need to find, this is Facebook post, go. Okay, you need to find YouTube icon in there, okay? And just go in, and then you will see like this, okay? So yeah, let's get started. Oh, before we start it, I want to give you 5 seconds to smash subscribers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Okay, so let's get started. So first, you can design everything. So this is template. So this is already one. So in Canva, there are pro version and free version. And in free version, you can use for free, but pro, you need to pay. Yeah, there's like more pay. You need to pay. You can buy everything or just one. So these are free. If you like, don't touch it, okay? If you touch it, you can see it like free. But sometimes, like things here, let me show you. Like some of them pro. Yeah. You can use it for free if it's set free, but like this is donate one. Yeah. So if it's like a crown, a king crown, you need to pay it for pro, okay? Yeah, so you can use these templates and design more, so it's more quicker. So if you need a quicker one, you can also upload. You can press upload to upload, but we're not uploading now. So this is photos. I will also make a video about uploading, okay? You can also check out later. So this is photos. All the photos. You can also add these up. This is like the things. These are things. So you can also search from here. what you want to, like, you can search like cat. But the thing you will need internet connection or Wi-Fi. So this is tags. You can also see all of the tags in here. This is glow in the dark one. Yep. And you can also add a heading tags by yourself. This is all of the video. You can also add these. Oh, this is videos. I think this is just sound. Yeah. So this is video. Yeah, they're very beautiful, absolutely. This is background. You can add these background or make a color background. Yeah. So we're making YouTube icon right now. You can design by yourself. How you need to do, if it's free, if it's pro, you need to pay it. But if it's free, just press it. It will be on your screen over here. Okay, over here. Yeah, so you can design right now. So we design mine right now. So first we need to add the background, which is the main. Yeah, so I'll add my background. What? This is probably very nice. I really want from these. Okay, this is probably a very nice color, so I want it. Ooh, that's nice. So you can add your own background, okay? You can also upload your own background. And then we're going to go to things like the one, then you can find anything like that. I'm gonna like a gal. Can find a gal. So these are pro. Like this is pro. You need to pay it. You can see. So this is $1 for this just image. I don't know what is everything, but this is also $1. I think all of them are $1 for the image. You need to pay it. Only one or all of them. You can also pay all of them, so you can use all of them. But just one, you can just use just one. Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's free. Yep. You can design by yourself. So why not? So I want this one. This is nice. Oopsie. Oh, I think I duplicated it absolutely. That's okay. We can delete it back like that. And then we're gonna make it a little bit more grow, like this. You can also see in here. Put it in the middle. That's perfect. That is more perfect. Okay, so I loved it. And then we're gonna add a tax. We're gonna add a tax by myself. But you can also add from these. These are very cool. Absolutely. We're gonna add. And you can also change the color of the tags here. And these are all the color tags, okay? Oh, these are all the pro. So for the color of the tags, I will use the purple, I guess. Yeah, but maybe this light blue is prettier. Maybe, I guess. Oops! What is happening? The tags color is gonna be blue. Come on, come on. What? Just one, I guess. I guess I did just one. That's okay. So we're gonna go back to there and use all of them the blue. Maybe this is the lot more better, or a purple or pink. Pink is not nice. But maybe a little bit darker pink. It's actually still nice. Nice. It's actually still nice. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna design with some flower. Yeah, you can design by yourself like everything. Yeah, but I just want you to show you how to use it. Yeah, just want to show you how to use it, but you can just design by yourself from your ideas. Yeah, you can design like more better than me. Do it, flower. FLOWER, flower. Flower. Oopsie. Free. I want this. This one is nice. So if it's like a thing, you can also change from here. But I like the color because I think this is daisy flower. Because this size is perfect. And then decorate like from here. Oh, that's nice. And then let's get more flower. Like that. Wouldn't like decorate with flower. Okay, maybe the size a little bit like that. Yeah, that's perfect size. Sorry. Oops, these need to be in here. Perfect. What is nice? I want to do like 4 flowers from there. Oops. This is yeah, that's perfect. This is a nice flower. That's perfect. Let's add it from here. That is perfect. And let's find the last but not least flower. This blue one is nice. But like this is like a colorful one in here. Right? This is perfect. I guess. This is very nice, I can say. Yeah, all of the color are pretty and nice. Yeah, and we also have a text which is say KPSS. Yeah. So, this is how you make a YouTube icon. But you might be wondering how to save it. This is pretty easy as well. You just need to press download. And then you can also download like for like Pro to make it more good. And press download. So you might be wondering why it is like square. Like you can see like this on your computer on like this. Let me show you. So this is what I downloaded. That's perfect. Yeah, so that means you can also safely close it because it will download it if you press it. If you press download carefully, okay? Yeah. So it will definitely download it. You might be wondering why it is square. YouTube icon is like circle. Yeah. But don't worry, guys. This YouTube icon is like square, but absolutely, guys, if you add it, it's gonna be circle. It absolutely fit. I think the size is, I don't know what is this size. Yeah, but it's gonna be absolutely fit in that circle. Okay, so this is also the size. Okay, yeah. So this is what it is. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Thanks for watching.